Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will unbox review template 1-inch full special header unit for Hyundai ix35 Tucson 29 and to 2015 year. Okay, this is box. Let me open the box. You can check the header unit. Let me show the harness. You can check this harness special for Hyundai ix35 ix35. Okay. Here is GPS antenna and the install kit. Sorry. And this is USB cable, 2 USB cable with external microphone. This is external microphone. Camera. This is video cable. Okay. Let me show the header unit. Okay, this is you can check. Okay, let me open the okay, it's okay, you can check this header unit. This is driver agent. Okay, you can check. And side this GPS antenna, Wi-Fi, radio port, this connector, this power. Okay. Let me power the 12 voltage. Okay, please take out this screw protector before using head unit. Okay, this is UI interface. Very fast octa-core PX5. You can install wallpaper. Okay, you can check the setting. Let me show the BAT device. This PX5 octa-core rack chip. Android version is 8.0 Oreo. Okay. It's 2.1-inch Mac built-in microphone and reset hole, this GPS card. Okay, you can change this button color in the settings. Find the car elements. You can change red, gray, blue, orange, or also can adjust any color in these buttons. Okay, thank you.